The ruler tool in Photoshop just lets you measure distances and angles. So if I click the tool, say I want to know how wide the eye is, I can click and drag to the other end, let go, and you can measure the distance in pixels. You can look up here in the options up top. You can see the X value, the Y value, the width, the height. You also got angle, and then L1 and L2. If you click this, it just adds zeros to the end. Some people like to view it this way. It doesn't matter either way you have it. Then we have straighten layer. This just straightens the active layer to make the ruler level. If I click it, you can see how it turned the image. And then last but not least, we have clear. This just clears your ruler marking. If you want to measure an angle, right, we're going to click and drag, and then we're going to come back to this one, double click and drag, and then we got an angle, right? You can come up here and see it's 77.7 degrees. That's how you'll measure any angles. Other than that, there's not a lot more to it. This pretty simple, straightforward tool. If you got any questions or comments, make sure to put them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.